Welcome to today's video. You've been longing and looking for longer, healthier hair? You're in for a treat. Because in this video, you guys, I'm going to break it down to everything you need to know to improve your health of your hair, for your hair to rapidly speed. I'm just going to tell you exactly step by step what I've been doing and what I've been using to achieve hair like that. Like for real, you guys, when this is straight, the mess is long. And I achieved this length very fast and easy. So watch this video all the way to the end because I don't want you guys to miss this. I learned the hard way and I figured out the fast, easy way to gain healthier, longer, stronger, beautiful, shiny, luscious hair. So by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to kickstart your journey to healthier, longer hair. All right, I'm thrilled to tell you guys that you need to be a little bit more kinder to your hair, be a little bit more gentler to your hair. Don't rush into your hair. Be really particular of what hairstyle you go to. Okay, on to that. This is a little interesting. Some people might not tell you this, but honey child, you need to change your lifestyle. I changed my lifestyle. I put myself in a more like positive environment because stress can really do damage to your hair and your mental health, like overall. It all has to be in line and balanced and right. So take care of that stress and eat a little bit healthier. All right, read some of the labels, go onto the TikTok, look at all this stuff that's going on. Try your best to eat a little bit healthier. It's going to make such a big difference with your skin, your hair, your well-being, your overall energy, everything. All right, this one is a little interesting, you guys. Now you are your biggest cheerleader. Keep in mind, okay? Don't be frustrated. If you invested in some expensive hair products, you're being more patient, you're doing a lot of great things that all these hair journey people are saying on YouTube to really grow out your hair, and you feel like it's not working for you or benefit, take your time, be patient. It's going to happen. It is really going to happen. I gave up almost, and then I was like, no, I'm going to do it. Let's now dive in on the products that I use. Yes, the products. I don't use no more inexpensive, very little cheap at the grocery store products. No offense to things at the grocery store or, you know, like your local drugstore or whatever. Anything that's $2 to $3, honey child, that's not going in my hair. I'm sorry. I'm not bougie, but if you read those ingredients, they don't do no benefits to my hair. Now, if you open up your refrigerator, we can dive right into what to really put in your hair. A raw egg, yes. A avocado, yes. A banana, yes. Mayonnaise, a little bit. I love to put flax seeds. So recently I went to the Grammys and I was like, I want my hair to be good because it was raining and everything. And I made this flaxseed gel. So flax seeds is a yes. And it could go good on your skin too to really tighten and give you that great elasticity on your skin as well. So it's a double whammy. What else do I like to use, you guys? I mean, there's so many things out there. I actually put sea moss in my hair when it spoils. It's so expensive. I just put it on my hair and my face as well. Now this one is in this video right here. I talk about my secret, but it's not a secret. It's actually embarrassing to tell people that I actually put that in my hair, but I am not lying to you guys. It works. Onion juice. I'm not talking about, oh, let me try to like use onion powder or chop up some onions and crush it on my head. No. Get that onion, peel it, clean it, and juice it and strain it and pour it on your head. As simple as ABC. Now, close your eyes, you know, you don't want to get in your eye or whatever. You're going to just do your natural wash and go routine and it's going to work. Like, hold on tight, you guys, for real. This video is going to, I was going to say, hold on tight, and these dogs that started barking, but stop using tight rubber bands, stop doing weaves and just neglecting your hair. Your scalp needs to breathe. Give it some air. Let it breathe. Give the braids, even though I got braids in my head right now, but I'm talking about those individual small little tiny braids braided in with fake synthetic plastic hair that has toxic chemicals that you're blending in with your hair and it's on your scalp, and using weaves. Just give all that a break and just do your hair. Be your hair. Let your hair be you. Like, just wash it, put some gel or whatever product you want to lay it down or put in a bun, and just let the hair be itself. Let the hair do its thing. And then you'll learn what products it needs, like how much moisture it needs. Does it need a mask? You know, I really highly recommend to do a lot of DIYs in your hair. Do a lot of conditioner, deep conditioners that can really help. And drink water. Massage your scalp. And use this product. It really works. Use this product. It also really works. And that product really helped me as well. Now back to the onion juice, you guys. So once you juice that onion juice and you forget to put in your hair or whatnot, or whatever you do with the onion juice, just pour a little bit in your shampoo, your favorite shampoo, and just use it every time it's in your shampoo. That was my secret in that video, like for real. Plus giving your head a scalp massage and make sure you have a really nice clean scalp. Now, if you have some scalp issues, maybe you need to go to the doctor and figure out what's really going on with you, because that can be triggered from some other issues that's not related to what I'm talking about. All right, stop using that blow dryer. Give that blow dryer a little break, put it away, give it to your friend or whatever. That flat iron as well. You know, sister, if you really, really want your hair to grow, you want to see a difference this year. You want to see your hair, you know, tailbone length, super long, healthy and shiny and luscious. You want to retain your hair length. That means you don't want it to shed as much as it's shedding. Then you're really, really going to have to stop some of the things you're doing. You know, these tight, super tight ponytails is unnecessary. Sleeping on cotton pillowcases all the time is not good. Do satin pillowcases, do satin bonnets. It really does a big difference overall. If you're in the sun, make sure you protect your hair sometimes. It really helps because that sun can really damage your hair. In cold weather can damage your hair as well, you guys. Eating your hair in the shower as you're detangling is way too much. Make sure you finger detangle your hair just a little bit before you do your wash, you know, wash and go or wash routine. It really, really will help your hair a little bit of retaining the length you have already. All right, I'm almost done, you guys. Just a little bit. I know you guys heard all this stuff before, but invest in a nice brush. Sometimes these brushes that you use are not the right one to use. I use this one right here is the demi one, but some of them can actually give your hair more split ends. So make for sure you invest in a really nice brush. It does do a big difference. Last but not least, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up on your hair, your health, your mental state. Stay in a good space. Stay around good, positive people. Continue doing those wonderful DIYs. Properly manage and take care of your scalp. Like, have that nice, clean scalp, you know. It's for a good place to grow. Now, you see my scrunchie is loose. I usually don't use these. I use the satin silk. And I'm going to keep these braids in for 2 or 3 days. And then I'm going to wash it out. And then, all right, I just want to talk about hair goals. So my Pacific hair goal was, I wanted hair to my butt, straight up. Like, that is my hair goal. I'm going to keep rooting and going for it. My other hair goal is to straighten my hair at least 3 to 5 times a whole year, you guys. Now, there is other ways and methods to straighten your hair without using heat, and I do that as well. When I brush it and keep brushing it and pulling it straight and putting a certain product and then twisting it in a really tight, like, bun, and when it comes out, it's kind of like straight and curly enough for it to be stretched in a nice ponytail, but not to really wear down, you know what I mean? But if you want to know more about that, I need you guys to let me know in the comments down below. My other hair goal was I really wanted my hair to have more elasticity. So that means when you pull it, it doesn't break off. It has like a little bit of stretch bounce to it, kind of like a rubber band. So the onion juice really helped that, and the fermented rice water helped that as well. The aloe vera juice and all that, it kind of dried out my hair overall. It's kind of like a hit and miss. You can't use it too much, but the onion juice, you can use it as much as possible. It's not gonna like do something that it shouldn't do. Now, I did take a lot of different hair pills. If you guys want to know about that, I'll let you know down below in the comments of what hair pill I was taking and stuff like that. But those are my hair goals. I feel like I am 80% there. And this, I achieved this length. It took me approximately like 3.5 years to achieve this length, because I was like one of those girls thinking I had long hair and it was like barely going past my shoulder, and I was like, oh, look, it's long, and I would barely pull it past my shoulder. But now the braid, everything, naturally curly hair, it just automatic past my shoulder, and I'm so proud and excited because I was really on a mission. Like, really. All right, so now we went over my hair goals, we went over products, we went over things I do, methods, and things that worked for me to really retain long, healthier hair. I want to know, what is your goal? I want to know, what methods have you used that actually work that I haven't tried? And I want to know, what are you struggling with your hair the most? I do. I want to know. Curly hair with no pulling, no extensions to my hair, but lately it's been raining. If you know, I'm in California, been having those floods, and a girl needed to like lay it down. So in a braid, my hair is already like this, for real. So straight, it's already like down to there, as you see in that picture right there. So these tips are just what works for me. I'm not a doctor, I'm not no specialist nurse or no hair fanatic, whatever. This works for me. It definitely worked for you guys. I don't come from no special background of long, super nice hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how short my hair was, and your hair can get as long as mine or even longer. Please leave comments down below. I want to know what product you guys are using, or what product I should start using. I didn't really go in depth of product yet, but if you do want a video like that, please leave the comment down below and let me know, what do you want me to start talking about when it comes down to this natural, curly, long, healthier hair? Give me a thumbs up. I highly appreciate it. And hit that bell right there. It doesn't hurt you. It notifies you when I post great content like this to inform you guys about hair tips. Back to the moon, stars, and back. Because one day we will be heading to the moon and back. One love, one peace. Bye.